Aquastar is a product distribution company. We deal with swimming pool, fountains, and irrigation. We started this in 2015 in a small warehouse in Bangalore, and we moved on to North India with the Delhi offices. We have a Bangalore sales team sitting, a Bombay sales team sitting in Bombay. We moved out from first 1% to 13% in this 5 years time. We are working with various multinational companies as a distribution partners, and we work pan-India basis with a lot of architects and clients. The major challenge was follow. So we used to capture all the opportunities in Excel sheets. We have our own process we make. We try to capture whatever we do, and we were following up when we have meetings. The major challenge is segregating that state-wise or customer-wise or a sales rep-wise. It was big tedious work because I have to talk to various people. When it comes on reporting or when we can't come on follow-up calls, it's very difficult for me to talk to them on a respective projects or respective things. So that's a major challenge for us on the sales with our process. Like since I'm not sure how did we reach them, but when we started working with them, it was a pleasant experience from the day one. We have been briefed very clearly what is CRM is. It has been, we went for a walkthrough, what we can achieve it. We have clarified what is our expectations, what is our problems in the follow-up, and they could be able to deliver what we expected. The beauty of it is they had a lot of chance given to us to tell what we need, and our team also went through with them parallelly, so we were able to achieve a better result. The tangible benefits very clearly the conversion rate of the follow-up. So we are not sure of what is the percentage of conversion happening on the targets being booked or offer being made. So but again now it's very clear. Every sales rep, the conversion percentage can be easily tracked really, including mine. So very happy to see that. We are very proud of achieving more than 80% of our targets converted as a business. That gives more confidence to the sales team and management to grow more and put a lot of efforts to achieve it. Well, it's a very tricky question really. It depends on what kind of companies, but definitely a sales company, a marketing company, we recommend it's a must. For that, I highlight our caption. We have a caption called to go beyond your limits, to achieve beyond your milestones and go beyond. So if you want to go beyond, definitely you need some system to support you faster to achieve it. So I feel CRM is one of the tools to achieve it.
Thank you.